Here it is, 23andMe DNA testing kit. I've been meaning to get my hands on one of these DNA ancestry testing kits for a long time, and good thing Black Friday happened. How this works is all you do is you spit into the collection tube, they'll centrifuge it down, and they'll separate the saliva from the cells in your mouth, your cheek cells, tongue cells, gum cells, any epithelial cells within your mouth. And then they'll lyse the cells and obtain and extract the DNA molecules within. And then what they do is they'll run it through a polymerase chain reaction or a PCR, and that amplifies the amount of DNA, exponentially amplifies the amount of DNA. So you can start with a very tiny, minuscule amount of DNA. And once you amplify it, you'll have a ton of DNA. I'm talking, orders of magnitude more than what you began with. And with that final DNA slurry, what they do is they break it and chop it into pieces, and they run it through a sequencer. Give you an up close look. There it says on the back the instructions of what to do. What's in the kit? One set of step-by-step instructions, one saliva collection tube with the cap, a sample return bag, and one prepaid return label and box. Let's slide it out. Would you look at that? This is the return box that was already prepaid, first class return package service. I don't want to break this. How does this open? Voila. Hi, let's get started. These are the instructions. What nice colors these are. Look, if you notice carefully their logo, that is a chromosome right there. Two pairs, two arms. And saliva collection tube. This is a postcard. It's a thank you note. We are excited for you to begin this journey, and we want you to know that we are here to help, whether it's questions about our service or how to get started. Why, thank you. Thank you for the thank you card. Don't forget to register the kit and write down the 14-digit barcode. That's right, we have to register our kit online too, so they know who it is. Yeah, I can imagine they give hundreds and if not thousands of samples. It would be really hard to keep track of everything if they weren't so attentive to detail. Check it out down here. Even more instructions on what not to do. No food or drink for 30 minutes. That I have done. Spit into the collection tube until you fill the line. You close the funnel, detach the funnel screw on the cap, seal it in the bag, and mail it out in this prepaid package. Nice. Let's have a look of what the sample tube looks like. This is just the instructions here. Detailed instructions. Pretty cool. Nice. And of course, biohazard. Did you know that human spit is considered a biohazardous product? Or I guess any kind of human specimen should be considered biohazardous. And it looks like they have a absorbent sponge in here, a napkin. I guess in case the saliva leaks, it gets to be absorbed in there. Can you imagine how gross that would be if this tube leaked in the bag and you have to dig it out if you're an employee? I would not do that. That's disgusting. Biohazardous specimen bag. Nice. Collection tube. This is what I will be spitting into until I fill the line. That's a lot of spit. Can I produce that much spit? And of course, the sample cap. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and start spitting. Oh, look at that. That's interesting. There's fluid. I don't know if you can see that, but there's liquid in here in the cap. And I don't know what that is. Why would there be liquid in there? Maybe it's some kind of chemical formulation to stabilize the saliva on its way to transport. Oh, here we go. This is exactly what's inside. I was correct. That's exactly what's inside this little cap here. Warnings and precautions. Wash with water if stabilizing liquid comes in contact with eyes or skin. Really weird doing this on camera. Not gonna lie. Let's see if I can make this from this angle. Whoa, look at that. It's like cloudy. Okie doke. Small cap here. And done. That's it. Look at the contents inside. You can see strings of the stabilization fluid really cause it to cloud up. Can you see that? It's pretty cool, huh? Maybe I'm not supposed to shake it. I don't know. I'll stop. Then we plop it in this bag, seal it. Let me seal it. That's it. Make sure that's sealed. Yep. And we place it in here. Like that. Close it up. Ready to go. That's it. Easy as that. Took me no longer than... I'll be posting the results video on this channel as soon as I get the results. I hope you enjoyed this video. You know what to do if you like this kind of content. Consider following this channel, subscribing, hitting those YouTube buttons, sharing, whatnot. Really helps the channel out. And I'll see you on a future video.